Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use your Midi controller to play any game in your PC. So for this one, we'll be using the Bome Midi Translator Pro. Now you may see a classic version, a full free version one, but we need the Pro version because it has more intricate controls compared to the classic one. Though it has a trial version, but it has a time limit of 20 minutes, but you can run it anytime as much as you want. So with those aside, let's get started. For this one, we'll be using the Innovation Launch Game Mini, but any would do, really do, as long it can input MIDI messages to your PC. It will be easier for plug-and-play devices. So for this one, it's a scan MIDI devices, so make sure everything's detected. I'll take those two from the MIDI input. We don't need the output unless you want something generated as a sound from here, but for this case, we don't need to. So let's add the translator. Let's say I want D down and Z up. We need to capture the note on and note off, because if it's only note on, it will all keep on generating the same letter again and again. So let's capture MIDI. See, for this one, it says on note 41 on channel 10, but I will take any channel unless you have different channels and have the same note. I would click on the channel and specify the note one, no, the channel. Note 41, we get that. Velocity, take any velocity, because if you take this one, it will only trigger on this velocity if on your controller. So any velocity, you should do that. We need keystroke for the outgoing, key down for the D, and for the other one, pretty much the same, but we have to capture the note off, so it would turn off anytime, so it won't generate again and again. Same things. Alright, good. Keystroke D. Up. Check the other one. Yeah, down, up. Yeah, it's good. So let's test it on Notepad. Yeah, it's working. So you can do that again and again with various notes. Since it's for the drum pad and keys, it's really just notes, note on and note off, but it's different when it comes to control keys. So let's add that. Say one arrow up. Up. So we'll be getting this one. It says here it's channel 1, any channel, and control 4. So we'll be getting 4. We'll be getting control change, any channel, CC 104. Value, any value of course. Outgoing, keystroke, down, arrow up. Same thing goes for the other one. You go, control change, any channel, 104. Any value. Oh, for the value, for on, it says 0, value 0. We have to go back and set it to value 0 and value 127. Keystroke and up. Let's see if it works. Put the nut. Oh, what happened there? 0127. 0127. Alright. D, for some reason that's different. D, alright. See if that shows different. Yeah, but it's having a problem again for some reason. Oh, we have to disable the key repeat. Key down. So it's supposed to work right now. Yeah, it's working. So it gets tricky when it's a CC. I'm not sure for the knobs though, but let's give it a try. Let's say, I don't know, can I do it mouse? For the mouse. C channel 1. Yeah, any channel would do. And the channel CC21. 0. Let's see. You can assign it with a keystroke or mouse. Let's say 00 mouse movement. Alright. That, let's make things clean. Alright, never mind that. Volume 127. Yeah, my screen is 1366, so it will differ on your screen. So I only want to move the x-axis. Alright. Okay. Then movement. 10. Alright. 10 left. So suppose that's negative. Negative 10. Positive 10. That's weird. Right. Left. Yeah, you could play around with this thing. Yeah, it's weird. That's weird. Then left and right. Works either way. Yeah, you could play around with this thing, but I only want the keystrokes for playing like rhythm games and such. For if you want racing games, you may have to go tinker more of the stuff. If you want to use the knobs for steering wheel, if that's what you want. So let's get moving for a demo and see how it works. So after you've set up your controls, you can already play. For this one, I can play rhythm game like DJ Max, but you can do any other game as well. So let's have a demo. So right now I'm using the CC controls. So I'm navigating with the Midi instead of the keyboard. Let's escape.
DJ Max.
That's my enter. Everything's right. Everything happening right now is going through my MIDI controller. But for this, of course, I can control this one. So yeah.
Ready? Starts a fever. Feel the rhythm. 100 combo extend.